Wow, we've gotten ourselves into a very difficult spot. Fortunately, we're less than a mile away from our vehicles, and we have water and food, and I even brought a fire starter in case we need to camp out right here till we get this thing. All right, here he comes. This is a nice overhead shot of Morten in the canyon. This is Morten of the canyon. He's stalking his prey right now. Got hung up in a bush. Probably more than he cares to be. Nice. Take the alt line. Smooth. That comes with its own perils. That tree is not a feather tree. They call it a thorn tree for a reason. Alright, here he comes. Through the underbrush. Spotting his prey. His prey is this rocky waterfall. Nice pivot, turn into position. Gonna get the first part of this. I'm gonna help him wherever I can. Heave ho. All right, let me get closer. I'm gonna roll your wheel, I think. All right, I got your forks. You got this. You gonna try and clear it yourself? All right, sure, ready? Did it. All right. All right, now I need to lay down.